Hey everybody, this is Peppo in the Woods. Who are you?
Kento in the Woods.
This is Kento, my grandson. We're just out beating around today. This is Pine Creek behind me. We're heading down the O&W road to the O&W Bridge and looking for some waterfalls, and we're gonna look around Pine Creek a bit because there's some pretty spots on it too. You know, come along with us, see what we find. Thanks a lot. See you in a bit. Yeah, look, this guy. First day of March, snake's crawling, just a little garter snake. But it's pretty cool, nonetheless. We're gonna drive on up and go. Be nobody's day. See ya. And 9-year-olds. Okay. Kerry Wilbright and I were here just a couple of weeks ago, so I'm going to go get to O&W Falls again. I'm not going to go into great detail because, like I say, we were just here a couple of weeks ago. But the point of interest today is a little cascade and a waterfall right up there. We're going to go up and check them out. But let's show you this a little bit first.
Well, that's
Well, like I say, when you got a 9-year-old. And this is the culvert that goes under O&W Road, where the water from the O&W Falls is supposed to go, but it seems to have found a different route under the road. But anyway, Kento's, he's having a blast. Yeah, O&W Falls, it's been pretty rainy, so there's a lot of water flowing, but this thing about all but dries up to just a drip in hotter, drier weather, but it's just right beside the road and it's pretty nice. Yeah, right there, the trillium are out. These are not bloomed yet, but maybe if we get just a little higher on the hill when we're going to go up for those waterfalls, we'll find some in bloom. Okay, O&W Falls that we're at, that's the top of it right there. And this little stream has the Cascades there. Nice small cascade there and a big falls up there. And I can see another one through the trees off here to the left. So we're going to try to work our way up through there and get some better shots of this. This is pretty. snake number 2 for the day. Just a little garter snake. So yeah, it's that time of the year. He's a cool little guy. Not nearly as big as the first one that was in the road, but I'm gonna just let him be. And there's a road, and you can see my Blazer parked right there. And Big South Fork of Cumberland River just behind it. The O&W Falls is there, and then the next one, and then these. So you can get actually some pretty good waterfalls here in a very short distance. And this one we're standing on is probably 15 to 20 footers. Right above it, this is probably more like 25 feet, and it's in two sections. And up above it was a cascade that I'll never get up to, but I just wanted to point that out. We're going to head back down the mountain now, get to the Blazer and go on down to O&W Bridge. And of course, these are wet weather falls. Dry times in the summer, they're probably nothing more than much of a drip, but wet weather, how can you see 3 waterfalls like this within 150 yards? Okay, we're back to the Blazer. We're gonna drive down O&W Bridge now. You can probably hear the river roaring below us at the O&W Rapid. So we're here at the historic O&W Bridge, which is part of the John Muir Trail and the Sheltowee Trace. And we're going to try to get down here a little closer to the river. It's going to be loud. The O&W Rapid here at the O&W Bridge is generally the takeout point for kayakers who run the river from what they call the confluence or New River Bridge up above the confluence, but we always call a confluence the forks of the river. Yeah, I'm standing here with the O&W Bridge in the background. O&W stands for Oneida and Western, and it was a railroad. This bridge actually was first built somewhere else. It was taken down and brought here and reassembled by the O&W Railroad Company. Strangely enough, the O&W Railroad bed, which is now the road we drove in on, is a county-owned road. And word around the county the last week or 10 days has surfaced that the county commissioners have appropriated funds to tear this historical bridge out and build a concrete bridge through here. And there's several movements underway to try to stop that. There'll be a commissioners meeting later in March, and I think we'll have a big crowd there to try to put a stop to that. Because why would you do this? And besides that, the road beyond the bridge dead ends in 2.5 miles. It goes nowhere. So to me, it's just senseless to destroy a historic structure like this. Those funds could be appropriated somewhere else where things are needed more than taking this bridge out. Okay, just a rant from Papa in the Woods. Thanks for listening. But it's important to me and a lot of other people I know here in our county. Thank you. Hey everybody. As usual, I just want to say thanks for watching this video. And hopefully you'll appreciate my little rant there toward the end of it, because the natural world and the historic structure stuff, you know, need to be preserved. And I'm not the only one around here that feels that strongly about this. So appreciate you watching the video of me and Kento out just beating around, finding some waterfalls, and just having a grandfather-grandson day. So, you know, please come on back to my channel. I'll be making a lot more videos soon. So, in closing, it's Papa in the Woods. Thank you very much. See ya.
Bye.